My name is Rick Ferris, and I am the principal chair in C12 Southern New England. Became a chair back in 2009 when we pioneered C12 up in the whole New England region. As I was coming down here and coming to the conference and our training, it really struck me that I don't think we even have a clue how much C12 does, especially as a chair. I feel really blessed in the relationships that come, the relationships we have with members, the relationships we have with one another with chairs. It really is supernatural. It's such a super blessing. We have 41 members from New England fly out here to Denver because they love one another, they're hanging with one another. It was just really overwhelming to me in the last couple of days. You know, one of those guys is my good friend Bill, who's one of our members up in New England.
Yeah, my name's Bill Blezard, and I'm with C12 Southern New England as well. Rick is not only my chair, but we have an interesting story together in that we did business together. Rick had invited me at one point to come into his company and to be vice president, and that experience did not work out well for both of us. We had a separation that ended poorly. The incredible thing is that later on, Rick took the initiative to give me a call, and I picked up the phone, and God began an incredible restoration into a friendship that I value for my whole life. And so I'm glad to be here. I think that the most amazing thing for us together is the power of people being together. And I think today we saw Mike share that incredible vision of the gears coming together. And I think the gears came together for us. And I think the gears are coming together as a whole with C12. And I guess we're kind of a little bit of that story now later on. And what I love about that is, you know, Mike referenced today Acts 17:6. He said, these men who have come here too have turned the city upside down. When we come together in power as people, wow, the amazing things that can happen, incredible.
Amen.